Alright y'all, welcome back to Rome Reviews. I'm Rome and this is the Honor Magic V5. It just got here maybe an hour ago and I wanted to wait to get it on camera to open it with you guys. So that's what we're here to do today. We're just gonna unbox it, get some initial thoughts, and then I'm gonna power it up and just take a first look at it and talk about it a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is my usual thing. Spend some time with it, give a little more thoughts on it, then do like the full review later on. I think I'm still trying to work my way through how I'm gonna do like the camera reviews for my devices. Am I gonna put it like the camera review in like the full review of the phone, or make it its own thing? I don't know. Still working through it. Any suggestions you guys have, feel free to pop them down in the comments below. All right, let's switch over to the overhead and get going. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Of course, you're immediately greeted with the phone. Looks like it's been opened. I think, well, it's definitely been opened. There's no tape on the box, sealing the box up. So I'm thinking that Wonder Mobile opened it and installed Google services on it and set them up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and wipe the device and set it back up from scratch. That's what I always do because I know that there are a lot of options during the initial configuration of the phone that I don't like to select myself. So yeah, that's why I go in and do it myself over again and just set up my accounts and everything from scratch. This little cover is actually really thick. I don't know if there's anything in here since this is my first Honor device. But anyway, I'm gonna set that over to the side. And over here we have, let's see, I don't know what that is actually. Oh, it may be the case. Some instructions, some documentation, and the SIM tool. Okay, let's open that up. That's a thick box as well. Honor is big on these thick boxes. Let's see. So let's see. We got a case, of course. A card, of course. All right, and what else? Some manuals. NFC. Huh, looks like they put it at the bottom of the camera module. Interesting. Okay, and yeah, so that's that. Put that over to the side. We'll clean everything up later, and let's keep going. Let's keep rolling. Oh, okay, a little drawer. Open it up. We have a charger in here. Everything's just kind of frizzled up like it's been opened already. It's kind of weird. 66 watt Honor supercharge. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of weird. It's kind of off-putting. Like, it seems like they opened up more than they had to set the phone up. Anyway, USB-C to USB-A. Okay. That's perfectly fine. I'll see if this is one of those phones that you have to use the proprietary charger for to actually get the full charging speed out of it or not. We'll see later. So let's go ahead and, you know what, we'll do this. We'll put this back on top for now because I'm just going to sit the phone on top of the box. So that's that. So here we are. Here's the main event. So yeah, the camera module has a fingerprint on it. That bad boy does stick out a little bit, actually. Look at that. I mean, it's nice looking, though. I like the design on it. So let's go ahead and open it. I think if the camera module will allow, I may just try to slide it out of the sleeve. Yep, there we go. Oh, look at that. That is crazy, right? That is beautiful. I've seen videos on it, but this thing in person is just look real flashy. Okay, so we'll go ahead and switch over here. Let's catch one more look at that bad boy. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and do the first power on and see what we got. Oh, look at that. The fancy booting animations and everything. Okay. Looking good, looking good. And yeah, so it took us right into like the home splash screen. New version found. So yeah, just what I thought. Wonder Mobile went in and set the phone up. Oh, this feels fluid. I mean, just off initial just first look at the device, I mean, yeah, I like it. It feels very fluid. I know it's still booting up, but that just feels good. Okay. I won't get too excited because sometimes, when I have my new toy, I just get excited about it. So let's zoom in a little bit since we have the phone up here. All right, so let's see. Does it have the dual side panels? Okay, swipe down from here to open the control center. Swipe down from here to open the notification center. Same standard stuff. Okay, look at that. And you can switch back and forth between the two. Okay, nice. All right, so what I'm gonna do is what I always do. I'm gonna go through, set the phone up from scratch, and yeah, just start using it, taking pictures, and I do have, if this is your first video of mine, I do have the Oppo Find N5 here, and I have the Vivo X Fold 5. I have a lot of fives here, actually. The Vivo X Fold 5, the Honor Magic V5, and the Oppo Find N5. Okay, all right, we're rolling. We're doing some things out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing some comparisons between them. I mean, as far as like the OSs go, just how the software feels overall, how the hardware feels. I will say immediately, I feel like the Honor is easier to open than the Vivo, like immediately. Okay, so anyway, I'll be back with you guys in a moment, and like I said, I'm going to go through and set it up from scratch. I may even go as far as recording the setup of the Honor, just for you guys that may be interested in that. So yeah, we'll do that. All right, so I'll be back in a moment. All right, y'all, I had to jump through some hoops to make this happen. So I made the mistake of erasing the phone's content and settings and stuff instead of erasing the phone itself. So I ended up back in Chinese, and I had to I had to grab another phone and use Google Translate to translate the menus to get them back to English, so I could actually reset the phone. I guess I could have skipped a couple of those steps and just used the language translation to just figure out how to reset the phone. But either way, here we are. It's resetting right now, and I'll be back in just a moment. All right, guys, so I'm thinking that this is back at the main screen. So let's just go through it together and get it set up. So we're going to instantly switch that to English. Oh, you have to scroll up to it. You just can't click on it for some reason. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and start. Select region, United States. I have carefully read this, and we all know that's not true. And we're going to continue. Insert SIM card. I'm not going to do that right now. Provide you with a WLAN connection for quick login to your Honor ID. I don't have an Honor ID. I signed up for so much stuff that I don't remember what I have. But I'm going to cancel that, and we're going to sign into my Wi-Fi. Give me one moment. All right, we are connected to my Wi-Fi, and we're just going to continue working through. So here are the basic services. Enjoy my undefined device, cloud, stuff like that. I don't think, okay, whatever. No, I don't want to log in, no account or other login methods. Okay. I guess I'll set all this up at another time, maybe, if I want to. Are you sure you don't want to use, no thanks. Set a fingerprint later. Enable all enhanced services. So let's see, what are the enhanced services? Enable system software update service. Yes, we want to update. Enable auto download. No, I don't want it to download anything. Enable WLAN. Automatic turns on WLAN when in range of known networks. And I guess enable weather services. Turn on Magic Pictorial. This serves and its underlying services, Magic Mobile service, blah, blah, requires access to the internet. And I guess for now, online number identification, location services. Yeah, because I'm going to be using Google Maps and things like that. So yeah, I guess I want to leave those on, and because I don't want those to impact how those apps behave Feature advisor recommends features on your device, requires internet access. I guess for now, my Honor requires internet permission to enable local recording, video capture, blah blah blah. Okay, I guess advanced messaging won't. I don't think we care about that because we're going to be using Google Messages. So I think we're gonna leave that off. Enable Yo-Yo Assistant. I don't. You know what? I may leave that on just so I can test it out, see how it behaves here in the U.S. Emergency Location Reporting Service automatically provides your location to information to emergency services when you call them for faster responses. Enable Yo-Yo Suggestions. By turning on, you agree to intelligent recommendation. Enable Honor AI basic services. Enable online device update service. This service requires internet access permission to read unique device identifiers to obtain the device name, device appearance, help information, configuration, and other data stored on the cloud. Goodness gracious. Honor board, online services, on ID. Oh my. Report unfamiliar Bluetooth tag nearby. Oh yeah, let's keep that on. Trust space. Creates a secure environment on your device so your payments can be isolated from security threats, I guess. Enable network acceleration, enable service gallery. Goodness. Turn it on indicates that you agree. Enable WLAN to automatically update system apps. Maybe. Okay. Enable Honor Connect to enjoy the service and blah blah. Yeah. Okay. Looks like we're keeping most of this stuff on. Enable digital well-being, enable package installer enhanced services, game manager, magic portal, to cross app information. I don't think I like that. I don't like information because that's how I feel like that's how the different apps know what ads to show you. This service requires internet. By enable service, you agree to magic portal user. I'm torn on that one. I'm really permission to read and transfer SMS messages multimedia by enable. I'm turning it off. I don't want anything to read my messages. Honor lens service. I'm sure there's gonna be like where you can put your camera as something to identify things or take pictures of it, so you can search it online. I guess. Enable smart notification. Yeah. Honor dock service. Enable Honor wallet service. Nope, because I'm gonna use Google Wallet. Enable favorite space to save web page text, blah, 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 I guess. Join user experience improvement program, no. Whew, goodness. Enable media services, music service, video service, browser service, reader service. So much stuff. Okay, keep your software up to date. Nope. I'll do it myself. This is going to be a new device. I'm going to use gestures and not the 3 keys. Continue. This product is a foldable phone with flexible screens. Please take note of the following. Yep, got quite a few of them, so we can skip over that. Be careful, take care of your inner screen, don't beat it up. All right, and we're in. Now, looks like we have something going on. Notification center, yep, I know. Okay, I got it. We detect the essential resource package that, if downloaded, can improve your whatever. Sure. Okay, so let's let that do its thing. So here we are. Let's go ahead and skip that. And we're going to go in and finish setting up things. So I think I'm just going to put this all in one video for you guys. So let's just agree. I don't want notifications. Alright, I do not want to type on this keyboard. What? Okay, there we go. So let's do Google Play Services. Current user owner. Let's just change that to my name. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let's do that. I like that. Oh, I didn't mean to go out of that. Sorry about that. Because I'm going to change the keyboard anyway, so I don't think this really matters. To enable English UK, okay, yeah. Just want English USA. Alright, to switch to English, Google Play. Alright, let's do Google Play Services. Turn them on. Alright, now I'm assuming that I'm going to have to go to the app market and why not? Whatever, whatever. I feel like I just turned on something that I turned off initially. Cancel update. I guess I didn't have to update because I'm just going to install Play Services. I mean the Play Store. So let's go back in and let's see. So it's so weird. Google Play, I think that's it. But you know what? It actually just prompted me to update it as opposed to installing it. So that's interesting. And here we go. So that's how you install the Play Store and set it up. Google Play access to your list of installed apps, I guess. Yeah, sure. I mean, it needs to know. So here we are. I'm going to not go through the full process of setting up my Google Play, logging into my account and everything, because I just don't feel like doing all of that extra work and editing afterwards and blocking out my information, and so on and so forth. So you saw how I turned on Google Play Services first, and then now I installed went to the app market and searched for the Play Store and installed it, and here we are. So I'll go through and set all that up and set the phone up and just things of that nature. Yeah. Otherwise, it seems to be straightforward. I stumbled a little bit with the resetting the phone back to Chinese, and I couldn't read it and having to work my way back to getting it reset. But yeah, it seems pretty straightforward. It's a lot of stuff during the initial setup of the phone that you have to choose and select. But you know, you guys just choose whatever works best for you. I just want to show you really quickly what that looks like on this phone. So yeah, we're good. So what I'm gonna do now is just I'm gonna go through, set the phone up, use it for a little while, and as I notice things, yeah, come back and make videos about it. You know, so anything you guys want to see on the Honor Magic V5, drop a comment below. Let me know, and I'll try to pump out as much content, answer as many questions as I can. Okay, and if I get enough questions about different things on the phone or whatever, maybe I just make them into a full video where I just answer you guys' comments in a video form and kind of knock it out for everybody all at one time. So let's see where it goes. But until then, really appreciate you guys tuning in to this. I'm excited about this. So this is my first Honor device, and I'm interested to see how this phone behaves and how it handles their my day-to-day tasks. So yeah, anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.